Alright, now to the makeup tutorial. This is the only brush I use, just one brush. Well, I use other brushes, but this is the Glamour Dolls Lisa Frank collection one. And then this is the palette I'll be using, the Winky Legs Kitten palette. First, I do a primer. This is the Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer. And I just take a little bit and put it on my eyelids. Now that it's on, what I normally do is I just look at like the palette. I think I'm going to use the shade for my lid today, so I'm going to put that over my lid where I put most of the primer. Now that is on there, as you see, it's like almost a neutral skin tone with like a little bit of purple flecks. I will take a like almost medium shade for my skin and buff that into the crease and buff this out, or like blend it out. And then I'll take that lid shade and touch up anything, like when you blend out sometimes if there's fallout or anything, I'll take my finger and retouch that up. And then that's all I do. I do not do the bottom lash with eyeshadow when it's summer because my eyes water right now with all the pollen, but let me get in some better lighting in 1 second. So just something very neutral today. Ignore my cat in the background, but yeah. I would normally put a highlight, but I decided not to today, so. But that is today's little eyeshadow of the day. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I will have 2 hauls for you later, and I hope you guys enjoy them. Have a good one.